Alright, example 4. An estimated force time curve for a tennis ball of mass 60 gram is struck by a racket is shown in this figure here. Now we have to determine the impulse delivered to the ball, the speed of the ball after being struck, assuming the ball is being served. So it is nearly at rest initially. So initially we can say that the okay, let's just look at that when answering question B lah. Okay, so from the force time graph, we know that the shaded area under a force against time graph is the impulse. Okay, I have to change this one. Okay, so the force against time graph, the shaded area, which is this one, is giving us the impulse. So impulse is the area under the graph. So let's find the area under the graph, which is J equal to half 1.8 minus, I think this is J equal to half 1.8 minus 0.2. This is milliseconds, so we can times outside with -3, and then times again with the height of the triangle, which is 18 kilonewton. We then get the impulse, which is 14.4 Newton seconds. Okay, so this one you can either just write 1.8 times 10 to the power of -3 minus 0.2 times 10 to the power of -3. I just simplify it by just putting times 10 -3 outside of this bracket lah, meaning it's still in milliseconds lah. Okay, now question B, the speed of the ball. Now we have to find the speed of the ball, and then they check up, assuming the ball being served, it is nearly at rest initially. So we can let the ball initial velocity of the ball to be equal to 0. Now we have to find the speed of the ball. We only have the mass, the force, the time, and the impulse. So based on this information, we can find the final velocity of the ball by using the impulse punya equation, which is delta P. Okay, so delta P is mv minus u. We have all the values, just rearrange it. I mean, let me just write in here. Is 60 gram is 0.06 kilogram kan. Okay, so V is what we are looking for, minus 0. Then you'll get the final velocity to be equal to 240 meter per second. Okay, so that is the speed of the ball after being struck. Okay, so that is our example number 4.